We'll see some series programs like x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4 and dot 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 x to the power of n. So we already practiced 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n, sum of n natural numbers. S is equal to s plus a. And we already practiced 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on. S is equal to s plus a multiplied by a, if a is your loop variable. So x plus x square plus x cube and so on x to the power of n. If n is 3 and x is 2, then the series is 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube. It's 14. So we need values of x and n. Input n and x. N is number of terms and x is the value. Look at the box. For a is equal to 1, a less than or equal to n and a plus plus. Loop starts with 1, ends with n, incremented by 1. S is equal to s plus POW of x comma a. POW of x comma a is nothing but x to the power of a. When a is 1, x to the power of 1. When a is 2, x to the power of 2. When a is 3, x to the power of 3 and so on. Very simple logic. And use the header file math.h. Look at the steps. When a is 1, s is equal to s plus POW of x comma a, that is x to the power of a, x to the power of 1. And let n is 3 and x 2. So it is 2 and a is 2, s is equal to s plus x square. And when a is 3, s is equal to s plus x cube. Look at 2 and 3, program number 2, x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 and so on, x to the power of n by n. And program number 3, it is x plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial and etc. x to the power of n by n factorial. So for these two programs, the base program is x plus x square plus x cube and so on. So try to identify the difference between 1, 2, 3, program number 1 and program number 2 and program number 3. And what are the changes we are supposed to make in program number 1 to get the output in 2 and 3. Look at the logic part. S is equal to s plus POW of x comma a by a. When a is 1, by 1. When a is 2, by 2. When a is 3 and by 3. So when a is 1, x by 1. When a is 2, x square by 2. When a is 3, x cube by 3 and so on. And what is important is typecasting. We need to put float in front of a. Look at the third one. We need to calculate the factorial. Look at the logic. F is equal to f multiplied by a. When a is 1, you get 1 factorial. X to the power of 1 by 1. When a is 2, you get 2 factorial. X to the power of 2 by 2 factorial. When a is 3, x to the power of 3. POW of x comma a. X to the power of 3 by 3 factorial and so on. For program number 1, I have given the steps of A1, A2, A3. You want to check, you can check with the 2 and 3, and if at all any corrections to be made, you can make changes. You always, if you are a new programmer, completely new to programming environment, you have to practice like this. And we have series like x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. And we have series like 1 minus x square by 2 factorial and so on. We'll be practicing sine series, cos series and some other series programs in coming sessions. Fibonacci series. Series starts with 0, 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3 5 and 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 8 13 and so on. Sum of consecutive numbers. The series starts with 0 1. So you can write this program in two different ways. Look at the lab part, enter n value, how many numbers you want, means how many series you want, like 5, and your output is 1 2 3 5 8. Look at the logic clearly. Initially f1 is 1 and f2 is 1, f3 is equal to f1 plus f2. And after that we are adding 1 plus 1. So f1 is 1 now and f2 is 1 now. And next 1 2 and next 2 3, next 3 5 and so on. Check out how many variables we have. N is your input, A is loop variable, and f1, f2, f3. Look at the logic. You need to observe the brackets clearly. So you have how many statements inside the for loop? 1 2 3 4. Loop starts with 1, ends with n. f3 is equal to f1 plus f2. Printf f3 and f1 is equal to f2, means f2 is assigned to f1 and f2 is equal to f3. f3 is assigned to f2. Look at the steps again. I given steps only for two numbers, a1 and a2, and a3, a4, a5. You can just practice it. So initially f1 is 0 and f2 is 1. When a is 1, you go inside the loop. f3 is equal to f1 plus f2. 0 plus 1 is 1. Printf f3. f3 is printed, that is 1 is printed. f1 takes f2 value. So f1 is 1 now and f2 takes f3 value. f2 is also 1. With 1 and 1, you go to the next step. So 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2 and so on. Look at when a is 2. In order of writing any steps in the examination, but if the program is of like 9 marks or 10 marks, then better check out if you have any doubt in your logic. You take a simple example and work it out. So we have 4 statements inside the loop. f3 is equal to f1 plus f2, printf f3, f1 is equal to f2 and f2 is equal to f3. That second statement, printf f3, you can even write it in the 4th line after f2 is equal to f3. So no confusion. If you refer any textbooks or anything, if you find it like that, no confusion regarding that. It doesn't make any difference. Look at this lab. Enter n value 5 0 1 1 2 3. Now we have few people will ask you to print 0 1 also. They are the initial numbers, and based on your requirement you can select either of method 1 or method 2. Look at the program. The first 3 lines are common, and printf f1 and f2 we are supposed to print 0 1 also. So if your input is 5, 0 1 is also printed. Then look at the loop a less than or equal to n minus 2. You repeat the loop only for 3 times. Your n is 5 and already 2 numbers are printed. You repeat the loop for 3 times. A less than or equal to n minus 2. You just identify the difference.